2006 Mercedes CLK, value convertible roof, CLK 350. Okay, I rebuilt the locking cylinder on the front. Here I'm trying to set the correct fluid level. According to the top hydraulics, when the roof is closed, it should be on the bottom of the positive, and when the roof is completely up, the roof it should be on the top. Yeah, that's where it is. So I am gonna leave it as it is. Well, actually I ran the car with the heater on just to make sure that there is some air space, and there is. So I think that's it. Yes, you have to, the way I did it, pushed out those rubber things, then pulled out the pump, tilted one way. There is a plug right here. That's how I filled it up. And honestly, before I was thinking you need to loosen that, but now I'm not sure. I watched the top hydraulic video how you're supposed to do it, and he doesn't say nothing about this screw. He just says fill it up, cycle it back and forth, don't overheat it, and that's where the fluid level should be. So that's how it is. Yeah, it's kind of a pain to get to this pump, but that's the only way you can fill it up. Alright, thank you.